Uh, you have to define the here you have finished all this OBS, EPS, and then now next is the project data entry. Hello.
Class is going on. Online class. Somewhat. Yes. Yes. Sorry. 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 Hello.
Yeah.
Now what will be the next stage, sir?
Next stage will be project data entry.
What will be the essential project data, sir? Essential data for a project.
The start time and the end time.
Hmm.
Then what are all the resources that are going to be deployed,
Hmm.
and what are the basically the work background structure is more important.
Hmm.
You have to first build the work breakdown structure, and then you will have the start date and end date, and then you will have to put each activity start and end time and the duration.
Hmm. Okay, sir. Any other thing, sir? What is the essential data?
Yeah, I apart from this, I'm not aware if there is anything more that needs to be added.
Practically can tell, sir.
Duration is there, dependencies are there.
How you can calculate the duration, sir? Accurately.
Pardon?
How you can calculate the accuracy?
How you can calculate the duration?
Duration accuracy.
No, I didn't get your question at all.
Sir, you are saying duration.
Hmm.
So how you can get that?
Duration is more or less an estimate of the time required to complete a particular task, depending on what kind of resources you have deployed.
Okay, sir. For that, what are the things you have to do?
Mm, no, I'm not able to answer your question.
Sir, so you are saying duration.
Hmm.
Duration in the sense, how you can get the correct duration? What's the main factor that affects the duration?
What is the main?
Factor affects the duration, sir.
What factor affects duration?
Yes, sir.
Factors that affects duration is the resource. What kind of resources you are? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Can you
Yeah.
hear me?
Yeah, yeah. Please, sir. Yeah, I'm listening you only, please.
Okay. The duration, depending on the resources that you apply, the duration will be affected.
That is, on which basis you will calculate the duration accurately, sir? I am asking. How?
Pardon?
On which basis you can calculate the duration? Don't know?
No, yeah, I'm not able to answer you.
Sir, in real-time project, on which basis you can
No, you
calculate
tell
the
me.
duration?
Hello?
Yeah, sir. In your real-time project, please forget this after. In your real-time project, on which basis you can calculate your duration?
No, I don't know. You tell me. I'm not able to answer you.
The calendar, sir. How many working days? That's
Huh?
the important factor. And then other factors are in a month, how many holidays? Yes or no?
In a month, how many working days?
Yes, sir. How many working days? Depend
Okay.
upon the project criticality. Depend upon the project criticality,
Hmm.
we have to define it. Because in a normal construction project or normal working progress showing project means how many days you can work in your per day, sir? Per week?
Okay. So you're telling the number of calendar days that you will work on a typical in a typical month in the project.
Yeah. What is it?
Okay.
Okay. Hello? Hello, sir? Can you hear
Yeah.
me? Hello?
Yeah. Yeah. Go on.
Yes, sir. First thing is, if our projects are normal priority, no means no
Hmm.
criticality means normally 5 into 8 hours, 5 days per week,
Hmm.
5 days per week, and then 8 hours working hours. That is normally it's, normal general office means general shift.
Right.
Uh, that is 9 to 5 or 9 to 9:35 or 10 to 6 like this. Yes, sir. Hello.
Okay.
Hello, can you hear me, sir? Otherwise, in factories
Yeah.
or
Yeah.
BPOs means,
Yeah.
depend upon the company policies, they will define the shift basis. Shift in the sense 6 to 8 or 8 to 2, like this. Some shift will be there. In factories means 10 hour shift, 12 hour shift will be there, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah.
So depend upon our project work. In case of office, corporate office or general office, means or general shift only we are following. In case of any other different settings,
Hmm.
yes, sir. Any other different means we have to set
Hmm.
according to the settings, calendars, and everything. Working time should be defined in proper manner. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Hello.
Yeah. Yeah.
So in this first we have to define the calendar because calendar impacts a very important role in the defining
Hmm.
duration. Okay, sir. Here, in case of office means
Okay.
5 into 8 or 5 into 9. Factory means 6 into 8, 10 or 6 into 12. In case of highly critical projects like dam, sports or any other things means what you have to do is mm, I have to be work 24 by 7. In BPOs also 2 shifts or 3 shifts will be there, sir. That's an example for this one. Even high critical projects like highways, bridge, dams, they have to be worked 24 hours also. Yes, sir.
Hmm.
In this case, go to enterprises,
Right.
take down, sir, calendars. Please take notes.
Okay.
Here in the software, they are defining in three types of calendar systems, sir. General
5 into
general
10, 6
purpose
into
calendars are called as
24,
global
7 into
calendars.
24.
Sir, general purpose calendars are called as global. Global means we can use this type of calendar anywhere. Understood, sir?
Okay.
And this
Now
in
this
type
5
of
into 10 is 5 days, 10 hours,
yeah,
10
yeah.
hours
Meaning is
per day,
that
right?
yes, 5 days in a week, and then working hours per day is 10 hours.
And 6 into 24 or 7 into 24 is 24 hours working.
Yeah, you are right. These are some sample calendars provided by the software.
Okay. Now if I have to change, if
So here,
okay, but you
if you
can
want to
add
add
your
your
own calendar to
if you
this.
want to add your calendar settings first means go to click on add option.
Okay.
Here you have to choose one sample. Any sample you can choose. This name
Hmm.
only. Any name you can choose. Click plus.
Hmm.
Standard office.
Hmm.
So in a factory or construction means there are multiple choice of calendars will be is compulsory now because general office it's different calendar setting. Yes sir.
Hmm.
Site. Site means different calendar settings you have to create. In case of if we are going for a manufacturing industry, means that's also having different settings.
Okay.
So factory means production calendar name maybe production to 10 hours or 12 hours. In this 10 hours, 12 hours, two shift, two or three breaks you have to define.
Hmm.
One lunch, two breaks. One it's maybe either dinner or breakfast. You have to one half an hour. Another half an hour will be lunch. Another half an hour will be normal breaks.
Hmm.
Like this you have to define. So standard office means like this. In case of site means 9 hours calendar.
Okay.
In the 9 hours, actual practical construction system defines two into 15 minutes break at 11 o'clock and 4 o'clock, and then 6 o'clock will be normal half an hour. That is 1 to 2, 1 or 1 to 1:30 or 1:30 to 2 will be considered as the lunch break.
Hmm.
Yeah, sir. Here, what I'm going to do is I have to type the name, press enter. So, calendar name is got created. Then, what is this option, sir? What you
Modify.
have to do next is define number of working days.
Okay.
There are two types: the total work hours per day.
Okay.
Another one is detailed. Detail means we can define our own. Total means simply 8 or 9 hours.
Okay.
The modified detailed working hours. Here in this calendar, they are defining from 9 to 4, 7 to 4.
Mm-hmm.
So I have selected from 7 to 9:30. Make it as non-work hour.
Okay.
And then 9:30 to 1 consecutively working. 1 to 1:30 will be break cover.
Hmm.
Online class. And then here's 5 to 6 work. Okay, sir?
Hmm.
Yes, sir?
Okay.
Here
Yeah.
I want to define in for a 1 day means this is okay. Click on work week. Simply click on work week. So I have select here. Like this. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Meaning, hello.
Yeah, yeah, got it.
Meaning, sir. So 9:30 to 1 o'clock. 1 to 1:30 break. 1:30 to 6.
Right.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
And then here, so you can see, sir, this calendar will get set everywhere. And then next you have to define non-work.
Right.
Okay. Here in MSP, what you will do, sir? How to select the calendar and then select the date and then select the exceptions. Yes, sir.
Right.
Here, select the date. Make it as non-work.
Hmm.
Non-work.
Hmm.
So these days will be considered as holidays.
Right.
Second thing, February 12th. Nowadays, this BJP government is that is current BJP government is incorporating one more day as the holiday. Which date, sir? February month. Previously, February month there is no national holiday.
Uh,
You must know the national holiday list. India, how many days will be considered as the national holiday, sir?
Depends from company to company. Or some give 11, some give 13, some give 9.
Government authorized this how much, sir?
Pardon?
Government authorized.
Government, I think, has got 13 holidays, no?
Yeah, you are right. 13 days. Here,
Hmm.
February 12th,
What is there on February 12th?
non-working day, National Youth Day.
National Youth Day.
Swami Vivekananda's birthday, sir.
Okay.
So, this BJP government, that is Modi's government, is incorporating this Swami Vivekananda's birthday as the National Youth Day. I think it's February 28th or 29th or February 12th something. One day will be holiday, February month. It's not compulsory, but that is government institutes compulsory holiday. Private
Hmm.
institutes depend. They take their own decision depend upon the company policy.
Hmm.
Third, same way March also. March, one more day they are incorporating holidays. Sir. Any idea?
You will have Holi holiday. You will have Ugadi holiday during this time. You will have Ambedkar. April 14th is Ambedkar Jayanti anyway. March is not there.
March 23rd, Sardar Vallabhai birthday,
Hmm.
national holiday, sir. And then
Okay.
Yuhadi, I don't know, Yuhadi may be very.
You can put any April 4th, I think, is Ugadi this.
What's that?
April 4th is
Which
Ugadi.
year Yuhadi will be there? Hello?
April 13th is Ugadi.
February? Sorry, March or April, sir?
April, April 13th is Ugadi.
April 12th.
April 13th.
Okay, non-working. April 14th, Ambedkar birthday, and then same as well as Tamil New Year holiday.
Hmm.
And then April 19th, optional holiday. What's that holiday, sir?
Ramnavami, huh?
Mahavir Jayanti.
Okay.
But it's optional holiday. And then May
Hmm.
1st, compulsory holiday. And then June, July, some Muslim festivals will come. Ramzan and one more Muslim festival come. That's maybe regional holiday. In our company, if there any Muslims are having available means, they only can take holiday. Others has to come. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Same way. mm, Last Friday of April month. What's that, sir? Last
No idea.
Friday of the April month.
What is it?
Good Friday, sir. Christians holiday. Because
Okay.
Christians two holidays only there. Good Friday, not two, three. Good Friday, Easter and Christmas. Christmas is a compulsory holiday by the government of India.
Hmm.
Easter and Good Friday is maybe optional holidays.
Hmm.
In education institutes, compulsory. Yes, sir.
Right.
Education institutes, financial institutes like nationalized banks, they will take holiday, but private companies optional. Say
Okay.
June, July, same case it will be like Ramzan, some Muslim festival will come.
May 1st you have to give holiday.
Yeah, May 1st is already holidays are declared. You can see
Okay.
August 15th. So August 15th this year is coming under non-working day only because it is on lies on Sunday.
Hmm.
And two more holidays are some holidays will may come. One is Krishnashtami.
In August you will have Raksha Bandhan.
Krishnashtami. Janmashtami. That
August
is
you will have
Janmashtami.
Raksha Bandhan.
Janmashtami will come, sir. Hindus. Krishna Jayanti.
Hmm.
Janmashtami. That is called as Janmashtami. And one more maybe in August and September first week.
22nd August is a Sunday. Okay, fine. Thirtieth August is a holiday, Janmashtami.
30th August. Ah. Okay, sir. It is work. Make it as work. Sir. Okay, non-work. And then Ganesh Chaturthi. Ganesh Chaturthi maybe in last of this August
It
or
is
first week
September.
of the September. It maybe will take some non-working. But in Bangalore type of industry is the regions, Janmashtami may be optional. Ganesh Chaturthi is
10th,
compulsory, sir.
10th September is Ganesh Chaturthi.
What's that? Yeah, sir. Like this, you have to
10th September.
set September. Okay, sir. And then October 2nd, Gandhi Jayanti, as usual holiday. And then in this October month, this Dasara holidays will come. Like, I don't know that 2 days which maybe take. Which days, sir? Dasara holidays. Date may vary. On which date I don't know. Hello? Internet get crashed. Come, come, come.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Can you hear me?
Yeah, some internet problem at my side.
Yeah, no problem, sir. So like this, you have to check the nationalized systems for, because office means 13 days compulsory. Schools, colleges 17 days. And then in case I'll click OK. Um, in case you are having a site type calendar means this Christian, Muslims, Hindus holidays are optional.
Hmm.
14 minutes. Okay. Uh, Sir, in case of production unit
So
site
what
means,
are these options, Balraj?
what sir? What sir?
No, there are these options which are not activated. No? Two global, two shared, two personal. What is this?
Means there is two types. The other types of calendars also available in Primavera. One is resource means for that project resources, because we are taking some project manager, top level management people, means there is no overtime and holidays also restricted, and then there is no LOP, LSOP. In these cases, we have to create some different calendars for them. In case of labors, regular labors means LOP, overtime, and other facilities will be there.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Yes, sir.
No, yeah, I don't know. My internet is bad today. Your voice is also breaking because of my
So
internet.
here
I'm not able
also,
to
yeah,
hear
I
you.
have some internet problem also. Internet is some unstable. No
Hmm.
problem, sir. Just 1 second, I will repeat. Hello? Can you hear me?
Yeah, yeah, please.
In case resources, top level management like project manager, senior engineer, junior engineers, or project deputy project managers, this type of people may have different settings like constant salary, no loss of pay, no constant working hours. Yes, sir.
Right.
So this type of people, you have to create separate calendar in the resources.
Okay.
In this case, we are coming to regular labor settings. Office staffs, there may be office staffs or site staffs. They are having one CL, 10 days medical leave, and then ESI, PF, and everything may apply. And then they are having some standard settings. For them, we have to set different calendar. For site people, they are not having a regular Hindus function as a holidays. Hindus mostly function as a not included in the holidays list, like a Janmashtami or a Good Friday or a Ramzan, Idul Fitr, like that. Muslim festivals or Christian, Jain festivals may not be included in the regular routine. In these cases, we have to create separate calendar for them also. Yes, sir. In
Okay.
these cases, we have to come under resources. In these resources, we have to set calendar.
No, but this resource calendar is separate, and the global calendar, in the global whatever calendar you have set, that is separate. Huh?
Yeah. Shut up. Yes, sir. Resource calendar separate. Global calendar separate. You have to set, sir.
So if when I set resource calendar and global calendar, Primavera will automatically take the work hours from both the things and then calculate the
Yeah,
duration.
yeah, yeah. From different area, different locations, we can take, sir.
Okay.
And third part is project calendar. In case of big shot companies like Prestige or Sofa or any big shot construction companies or the L&T type companies, because they
Hmm.
are having continuous projects.
Right.
Continuous projects in the sense, what's the type of the setting they will follow?
They will have their own project calendar.
Yeah, different project calendars they will use.
Hmm.
What are the settings? Um, for one project that is to be developed under Bangalore, one project means for that project calendar they will set some Monday or Tuesday as a different work week days. For
Hmm.
some other project developed in some other location in Bangalore, apartment designs. Thursday or Friday as a holiday. Some other things, some other projects they will set Sunday as a holiday. Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Some projects Monday. Why these variations, sir? Hello.
Yeah.
Why this variation in this project these settings?
Depending on the project requirement, there will be variations, no? Or if there are
Yeah,
a
you are
shared
right, sir.
resource.
In this type of multiple type multi-process companies, what they do is, uh, suppose they may rate some unexpected certainties. Suppose suddenly two labors are not available, five labors are not available. They are going to the native place. They are not coming back in the proper time. But work has to be
Hmm.
continued, not to be stopped in stopped. What you have to do, sir?
You'll
Hello.
have to get additional resource from some other project.
Yes, you are right. For that only, they are declaring different days as a holidays. They will
Hmm.
not take Sunday as a compulsory holiday. They can give that different days, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Wednesday. In commercial type like jewelries like supermarkets
Hmm.
or commercial points, they will follow different set of calendar. What that? Whether you don't have any idea, sir? Hello,
No.
no idea.
No. I don't have any idea on that.
In commercial type
Hmm.
of systems, they will not give the regular Saturday, Sundays as the holiday. Saturday, Sundays are considered as the compulsory
Okay.
working day for them. They will not allow to take any staff to take leave. Instead of that,
Hmm.
come uh, staffs should be splitted as per demand. So some two or three staffs may take Monday as the optional holiday, optional week off. That is called as optional week off system.
Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
Some staff were on Wednesday, some staff on Thursday.
Okay.
So staffs will allow depend upon their own usage. And
Hmm.
then same days, New Year, May Day, even January 26th. These are compulsory holidays, but for them they have to work compulsorily.
Hmm.
Compulsory, even May Day also they have to work. Because that day only come holiday. For the
Right.
means that day only holiday for others. So customers will come, customers will be more on the holidays. So what they will do is in this compulsory holiday they will ask them to work compulsory. Even May Day also. Sometimes election day
Right.
also these stuffs ask you to work. Even election date also. Elected
Right.
date. Yes sir. So what you have
Right.
to do
Absolutely.
is for different set of projects you have to under first you have to create one project, then create a separate calendar for them, sir. Hello.
Okay.
So calendar is impacting
Yeah,
like that
but that
only.
project,
Then, so
but that
here what I'm
project
going
thing
to
is
do, different
disabled,
types of
no?
calendar will be there. Here if I select, you can see, sir. It is if I
Huh.
want to convert a resource type, the resource is a specific calendar. I want to make it as a global, means universal calendar we can convert. Means resource area only we can use. Project means project area only we can use. Global means any
Okay.
project any people can access.
Okay.
Like that. That is the difference.
Now I have one doubt here.
Yes, sir.
In the resource calendar, there are personal resource and there is shared resource, right?
Yeah, surely.
Now, personal resource, am I supposed to add every resource here or is it going to come from the EPS?
No, sir. EPS is a combined structure only. Sources we have to add separately.
So can you maintain, is there a way to maintain a database for resources separately?
Compulsorily, sir.
Where is that database? Where you maintain resource database in
So
Primavera?
later resources will come. At the time, I'll teach.
Okay.
So resources
So,
may be regular, contract, and uh, on there is a on demand basis. Three types only there. So based on
right.
that, we have to create the resources. That is database is
Hmm.
different.
Hmm.
That resource is entirely different.
Okay.
Yes, sir. So third stage in the Primavera is better to create your requirement as a global calendar.
Okay.
It's maybe office means general shift. In case of factory production or IT like BPO jobs or this type of means shift based calendar you have to create it.
Hmm.
And then store it as a universal global. Meaning is in the future, wherever in the new projects or existing project, any other area, no need of repeating these steps.
Right.
First is OBS, next is EPS, third one is calendar. These three steps are compulsory one-time process. In case
Compulsory?
any one time, sir, only one time. In MSP,
Hmm.
everything you have to create
Okay.
based on the database.
Right. Multiple times you have to create. For each project, you have to create.
Yes, sir. In Primavera, these three you have to create at a one time at the beginning stage itself.
Okay.
After that, we can vary depend upon the situation simply. But these calendars will be universal. Calendars, OBS, EPS are universal. No need of changing anywhere at any time. Hello?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right.
So,
But tell me one thing, calendar will change from project to project, no?
sure, sir, compulsorily. So for that,
So
next
then
class. So
either ways,
now what you are creating is nowadays. Now what I am teaching is general calendar creation only. That is global calendar.
oh, okay.
Okay. In case
Okay.
if you have to create a separate calendar for your project means how to after first create the project. After that you have to create that calendar specific calendar for that project.
Okay.
Now it is a global calendar.
Okay.
Anywhere, any project, any EPS, we can access it simply.
Right.
It's a one-time setup.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, done.
And then here, go to global office calendar used by. You can check it here, sir.
Hmm.
So it will check with the current projects where these calendars are accessed
Okay.
and then give the report. Now only we are creating this data. Yes, sir.
Okay.
So no need, not used by anyone. So in future we are adding this calendar to any project or any task means automatically the data will be updated in this area used by.
Hmm.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Are you clear or not clear?
Yes, clear.
So my homework is today every day because in other softwares they are using tools only. Then based on their imagination you have to work. But it is a database. Yes, sir.
Okay.
This is a database. So we have to build the database each and every database in the step by step manner.
Right.
So first step is OBS, already we are completed. Next is EPS. Whatever thing you show is correct, but you have to create all the departments step by step
Sure,
in
I'll
your
do that.
company. Just I have closed this one. Here you can, here sir, dates or codes. Just wait, sir. So default, you can go to default tab, sir. Hello.
Okay.
Under HR admin team,
Yeah, we'll go to default.
and this default option, you go to default option. Here they are having corporate standard full time,
Okay.
and then click this button.
Okay.
Here for this EPS, it is not allowed. After creating this project, we can enable it calendar from here, default calendar.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Done.
So my stage is, so imagine and create number of calendars as you require. I don't know what is your requirement, what your profession. So for yourself database, please create the calendars.
Sure, I'll do that.
And then store it in the proper enterprises location as a global.
How do I do that?
Sir, in the calendar only, enterprises calendars.
Okay,
And
save
then
it
if you want to
to
use the
global.
shifts,
Okay.
means resource shifts, you can will be there in the resource area only. This will be available. Resource shift. This is or in the calendar.
Okay.
Here, sorry, the weekend. Here, modify time period. Here you can see the time periods. The work weeks also we can set that things. This is total. Here in this way means you can check how many hours per like this it will set.
Okay.
Here
Okay.
10 Thursday. Okay.
Done.
Like that you have to set, sir, please.
Okay, I'll do that.
Yes, sir. So stage by stage. Next class we will see uh, project starting. Project parameters.
Sure. Now,
Any doubts or
whatever
any
calendar
core?
you created, how do you make it a global calendar?
Sir, so after clicking this enterprises calendars, see global and resources will be default. Click on the global checkbox,
Right.
and then here you can see this global checkbox.
Right.
And then you can close it. Sir, you can create it, sir. Add.
Modify. Okay.
So these are
Add,
some
modify.
predefined
Okay.
settings. Simply predefined setting.
Okay. Done.
Yes, sir. Imagine and create, because it is not like other
Sure.
software. How to work with real-time experience.
Sure, I'll do
Real-time
that.
experience, real-time standards.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Yeah, tomorrow you have to show some calendars created by you. Next, tomorrow I will teach you project
I'll do
creation
that.
and then project parameters. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Any doubts?
Done.
Any doubts, sir?
Okay. Done.
Okay, sir. Then it's okay. Say good night, sir.
No doubts.
Yeah. Say good night. Good night.
Okay. Good night. Thanks, Balraj.
Please
Good night,
practice.
sir.
Tomorrow,
Thank you.
I will check your work.
Sure. Definitely.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, sir.